auto redeem ASOS gift card. If you want to redeem ASOS or ASOS gift card, what you do is you open your browser and just type in ASOS redeem gift card, and you'll find the first link from ASOS that says ASOS gift cards, register your gift and e-gift cards. So what we want to do is just tap on this little button here, and you'll find this option called Let's Go from the bottom. Just tap on Let's Go button. Now when you're here, you also have to make sure to log into your ASOS account. In my case, I was already logged in, so it directly took me to this page. Now when you're here, you can see it says add a gift card or a gift voucher. So since we're trying to add or redeem a gift card, tap on the gift card button, and you want to make sure to enter the long 16-digit code. And you can also scratch off the panel on your card to reveal your PIN, and you'll also have the 4-digit PIN. Enter that PIN as well. Then tap on the saved gift card button to save and redeem your gift card. This way you can redeem an ASOS gift card. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.